Um, so, tell us a bit more about the wines you're producing and, the winemaking philosophy that underpin your wines and what you are looking for in the wines that you're taking to market.
Currently, I'm producing more of entry-level wines, and the whole idea is to target, people who are new to drinking wine, and obviously, those are the kind of wines that people will be more keen to try. And I believe that, I mean, there's also room for more business there and for more growth, especially if you are looking at the upper part of South Africa and the majority of South Africans who actually don't even drink wine for
Mhm.
obvious reasons. So more entry level wines, sweeter wines. That's what I have on my range, and a bit of yeah. So mostly it's just entry level wines. And I mean, the philosophy, I think my philosophy to wine is just, I mean, being a scientist, I think I appreciate more the science behind, winemaking and actually, letting nature take its course when it comes to producing wine. So, um, and what was the other question?
No, that's fine. You actually answered. I was